Hey dongs! Huawei Nova 10 series is finally here. The world's best selfie video phone in 2022, ika nga sa mga long-time Nova users. Sa video na ito, i-unbox natin and i-review specifically ang Huawei Nova 10. But first, ano nga ba ang mga dapat nating i-expect with this device? Una na dyan ang 60 megapixel ultra-wide front camera, which is why considered ito as the best selfie video phone. Considered rin ito as one of the thinnest phone in the world because of its 6.88mm ultra-thin design na talagang napakanipis kahit ka pa naka-case. A 50 megapixel ultra vision camera naman para sa kanyang rear camera na napaka-vibrant and sharp na mga kuha. It's also capable of fast charging thanks to its 66 watts HUAWEI SuperCharge. And last but definitely not the least is its display. Naka 120Hz lang naman ito, paired with an OLED and original color curve display na talagang super crispy and masarap sa mata, lalong-lalo na sa mga mahilig mag-games. Ilan pa lang yan sa mga specs and features ng Huawei Nova 10 ha? Gusto mo na bang i-avail itong phone na ito? Well, eto ang unboxing experience once you decided to get one. Inside the box, andyan ang ating Huawei Nova 10 and dongs. Talagang napakanipis na itong phone na ito. Yung color na nasa atin pala ay yung Provence, pero available rin ito on a starry silver and starry black color options. Pre-installed na rin pala ang kanyang screen protector kaya no worries. We also have the SIM ejector pin, a free jelly case na rin to protect this sexy Nova phone, a USB-C cable na color-themed, and lastly, a 66 watts charging brick that also matches the same color with the USB-C cable and capable of Huawei SuperCharge. Napaka-straight to the point, diba? That's what you get inside the box. And now, it's time to get our hands on dito sa ating Huawei Nova 10. First thing sa build, kitang-kita natin yung premiumness sa kanyang reflective back along with the Nova logo. Sa back pa rin, it's noticeable kung gaano kanipis ang camera module, which is later on talagang itatry natin at nang makita natin kung ano ang kaya nitong i-offer na picture and video quality. Sobrang nipis talaga nitong Huawei Nova 10 guys at nakaka-amaze na kaya pala ang ganitong ka-sexy yet compact na device. So sa right, andyan ang ating volume rocker and power button. Sa left, walang kahit na ano. Sa bottom, we have the speaker grill, USB-C port, microphone, and the dual nano SIM tray. And sa taas naman, I believe is our noise cancelling microphone and our handset speaker. Setting up the phone ay napaka-smooth and easy lang, no? I was able to access my files and install my favorite apps and games nang walang kahirap-hirap. Thanks to Huawei's app gallery and pedal search widget, which is responsible para mas maging easy and more reliable ang paggamit ng ating mga new Huawei devices. For me, di ako nahirapan ever since na dinevelop itong mga services na ito. Moving on, ang clean looking ng OS nito and it's running on EMUI 12. For the processor, it's packed with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G, which is considered as isa sa mga efficient na CPUs at reliable when it comes sa gaming and for general use. Sa display, it has a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus OLED screen kaya napaka-vibrant at crispy ng kanyang display. Hindi lang yan, naka 120Hz screen refresh rate rin ito kaya smooth ang pag-navigate mo sa iyong Huawei Nova 10. Heavy user ka ba? Easy lang yan with its 8GB RAM plus 256GB of internal storage kaya for sure hindi ka nito bibitinin sa mga pwede mong ma-download and ma-install na apps. Of course, di ka rin bitin sa battery because of its 4000 mAh battery that also supports 66 watts Huawei SuperCharge. Lupit ba? Ang napakaganda dito guys, no? At nakakamangha with all these specs and features, may bigat lang ito na 168 grams. Ginalingan talaga ni Huawei dito sa Huawei Nova 10. Syempre di natin kakalimutan ang cameras nitong Huawei Nova 10 natin. For the rear cam, naka triple camera setup ito. We have a 50 megapixel ultra vision camera, an 8 megapixel ultra wide macro camera, and a 2 megapixel portrait depth camera. It supports AIS, autofocus, ubod ng taas sa pixels, kaya ang ganda ng napoproduce na image and video quality. Ito ang sample ng ating rear camera shots. And for the front, we have a 60 megapixel ultra-wide angle camera which is nakaka-amaze talaga. Kung mahilig ka mag-selfie, I'm sure magugustuhan mo itong front-facing camera ng Huawei Nova 10. Heto ang ating sample shots and I'll let these samples speak for itself na lang. So far, maganda ang camera, sexy ang build dahil sa kanyang nipis. Ang tanong, smooth ba ito sa gaming, John F. Dong? Ay dong, oo naman, basic na basic lang ang Asphalt 9 at Mobile Legends dito. Sinagad natin kung hanggang saan ang pwedeng isagad nito and surprisingly, it runs at full speed and dito natin talaga ma-appreciate lahat ng specs and features na nabanggit natin kanina. In summary, if you're looking for a smartphone na mainly for camera, pang gaming, sleek and sexy looking build, isa dapat sa top choices mo ang Huawei Nova 10. For the price of 26,999 pesos, I believe justified at talagang solve ka sa mga makukuha mong specs and features na meron dito sa Huawei Nova 10. Check out the Huawei Nova 10 series to see the entire lineup of Huawei Nova 10 devices. Nasa description lang lahat ng links natin mga dongs, kaya check it now. That's it for our unboxing and review of the Huawei Nova 10. Nagustuhan mo ba at may mga katanungan ka or comments? I-like at mag-comment sa ating video. Libre lang po yan. And one more free thing, mag-follow or mag-subscribe para lagi po kayong updated. Solid talaga nitong new release ng Huawei pero mas solid kayong mga viewers natin kaya hanggang sa muli. John F. Dong here. Peace out.